How to turn off or on location permission on my way check-in on Amazon shipping on Android or iOS phone. First open Amazon shopping and then click the story lines here in the bottom corner, and after that click settings, then you will find here permissions, click on it. Now just wait here, and now ways, and then scroll down, scroll until you find the location, and here we'll find on my way chicken, and you can turn it on or off. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.